Hello everyone, this is the unboxing video for DJI OM 4 SE. This is a smartphone stabilizer from the brand DJI, and this is a slightly older version than OM 5. OM 5 is the latest version that released this year, and it's a pretty good product actually. People are looking at phone stabilizers for shooting indoor and outdoor videos, for making their vlogs. I wanted to buy it for a while, but I was just reviewing most of the products, and then I see there was not much of a difference from OM5 to OM4, so I found OM4 is something that would fit my requirements. So here is what is in the box. So you have a DJI OM4, you have a magnetic phone clamp, you have a storage pouch, you got a power cable, a tripod, you also have a wrist strap, and you have the bunch of manuals which comes along with. It's a pretty good product. I've seen the review as well, and I've actually used it a few times through one of my known contacts, and I see that this is a really good product, so I want to buy it for myself. So this is an unboxing video, so let's jump into the video. Let me open the box and I'll show you what's in there. So there we go. So by looking at the box, as you can see, you have a brief manual, or you can call it the steps of how to install this. It should be pretty easy, kind of like a plug and play. If you need more information, you can download it from the app from the App Store for iOS and from Play Store for Android. So it's got this nice package. It says create magnetic movements. So let's look at this first. So it's got two sections here, so let me open this section. So this is the section where it's got a quick start guide. Okay, shows you how to set it up. Okay, because operations done in different languages, and it has a safety guideline, what to do or not to do, so you can go through that. And anything else? Okay, they have another smaller, so this is another like a manual or warranty which you have. Okay, what's this? So okay, great. So this is, they have a pouch. So this pouch, you can use it to carry your gimbal, and there's this wristband for extra safety whenever you're shooting it, so you don't drop it accidentally. Alright, so here's what the actual content in the box is. So it's got different components. So this is the main part, which is the main gimbal, and this is the magnetic holder that goes into your phone. So it's pretty stretchable. I'm sure it supports all the latest phones, including the iPhone Pro and Samsung S22 Ultra. So this definitely holds good for all the latest phones. So it also has a small indication, tells you which direction the phone camera should be. So the camera should be in this direction, so you have to install it accordingly. And this is a riser. So if you have a smaller phones, because the breadth of this holder is quite huge, so some smaller phones will not have this much breadth because they're more thinner. So this clamp would go over the phone. So just to avoid that, they have given an extension, so you can put this on top of it to give you that extra support for your phone. So you can use this. And this is the support stand, where you use it like a tripod to set it up. So once you install the gimbal on top of it, so this is how it supports it. So if you're shooting any stationary shots on top of the table. You can use this to place it on a table or on a different support. This can really help you with that. And this is the charger, the connector we have. Yeah, so that's all in the box actually. So by the initial look, it looks pretty neat and premium compared to the other brands, because I've also looked at the other brands and reviewed them before I bought this one. So I think this is how you open it up. Yeah, there you go. So it's pretty good, and it responds very well for movement. So even with the slightest movement, it can detect it and keep your phone more stable. This is a really good gadget for people who want to shoot the vlogs and who are looking at having high quality videos. Okay, so about the buttons are really good. This is, I think, the shoot video, or this is a record video. I'm not quite sure what this button is actually for, so I need to install it and check it. I know that this is a zoom in and zoom out. This is for the focus, or to change from video to camera. And we also have another menu button to turn it on, turn it off. So this is the one that gives you the lights for how much charge is left to charge. Yeah, they have a few ports here. They have USB 2.0 port. They also have a regular USB port, so I assume that this is for charging. And this is where you install the wristband for extra support. So I'm going to try and install it in one of my Galaxy Note 10, my older phones which I have, because with the latest phone I'm actually shooting this video. So let me try and install it and see how it works. Okay, I think the problem is it doesn't work with the panel on, so I think I would have to remove the panel. Let me try that. Okay, now this works perfectly. It fits perfectly. So what we need to do is, okay, so see, now I have a problem. So this is going to take off my protection cover. This is also another problem. I think you have to be a bit careful when using it. So I don't think it'll make any scratch because they have a small cushion here to protect, but if you have the protection or your screen guard, it's gonna rip it off, so you have to be a bit careful with this. So let me try to adjust this. Okay. So you have to extend this all the way and then put it on top of it. So if you just push it here, it's gonna rip off your screen guard. Okay, so this fits perfect. So I want to see how it's going to fit into this. Okay. So I've not done the calibration, so it's just gonna hang around like this. So once I do the calibration, it's going to, once I set it up, it's going to set it up properly. As of now, I just want to see whether it fits larger screen size phones. So yeah, it does fit larger screen size phones. As you can see, there is a gap with the lock. So there is a locking system here. So it has like a socket. So you have to put it exactly in the socket. If you don't put it in the socket, it's going to fall off. So I'm going to put it right in the socket. Okay, for some reason it's not setting it up properly. So I think I need to go like this. Okay, there we go. So this is a perfect lock. As you can see, this is locked, so there should be no gap in here, as you can see. Right. So because here, as you can see, there is a outside layer that provides you like a socket, and here you have the gap. So when you place this on top of it, it's gonna lock perfectly. So there should be no gap at all. It's holding it tight, but I can only say whether it is strong enough or not only after using it for a couple of days and then testing it out. But overall, it looks very good. So somebody who's looking at shooting vlogs or doing videos at home or outside, this is a very good gadget. That the price is I got this for 350 dirhams. You can find it different prices in Amazon and in other places. The pricing is pretty different, but it's under budget. I would say it's about $100 if you're buying it from outside UAE, so it'll be under $110. So this is a good price. I'm not quite sure about the price in other countries, but in UAE as well as in US and all, you can get it under $110 maximum. So the product is pretty good so far. So let me review this and then make a second video of this, an extension after my review. So this is just the unboxing video. So thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it. So if you have not liked or subscribed my channel, so if you like the video, please like, and if you like to get more content and unboxing videos, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye for now.